In this video, I will show you the exact steps you need to follow to cancel your Clarity Check subscription quickly and easily. To get started, you should first open your preferred web browser and head directly to the official Clarity Check website. Search for Clarity Check cancellation. Once the page loads, look for the login button usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address and password to access your personal dashboard. After you have successfully logged in, you need to navigate to your account settings section. This is typically represented by a gear icon or your profile name. Within the account settings menu, look for a tab labeled Billing or Subscription Management. This area contains all the details regarding your current plan and payment methods. Scroll down until you see the option to manage or cancel your subscription. Click on that link and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Most services will ask you for a reason why you are leaving, so simply select the option that best fits your situation. Make sure to continue through every confirmation page until you see a clear message stating that your cancellation is complete. Thank you for watching this guide.